And welcome back to the Morning Blend with our continuing series, Insurance 101 with Sovereign Select. Well, there are many things that come around once a year, your birthdays, holidays, and Medicare open enrollment. So Julie Lucy is an independent Medicare broker with Sovereign Select, and she's here to discuss this very important time of year, which will sneak up on us sooner than we think. Good morning to you, Julie.
Hi, Tiffany. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for joining us. So tell us what this open enrollment is and exactly what we need to do now.
Well, open enrollment comes about, once a year. You're going to hear it. You're going to see it. There's a lot of advertising around this time of year. But first, there's a lot of things that we do on a yearly basis. We pay taxes. We should review our retirement plan. We should get we should get a checkup or a physical, as well as we should get a flu shot. I'm going to give you one more thing to do on an annual basis, and that is to review your Medicare plan. On a yearly basis, Medicare can change their healthcare plan as well as their prescription drug plan. So costs can change, coverage, your network of physicians can change. You want to make sure that the price of prescription drugs hasn't gone up too much, and you want to make sure that your physician is still in network. So these are all changes that can take place, and you want to know about them. So the annual enrollment period is a period from October 15th through December 7th, in which almost everyone can change their Medicare plan, and for some that includes a prescription drug plan. It's a period that happens for most people once a year. So if you have some questions or if you want to save some money, it's a good time to review your plan. Keep in mind that our services are free, and we're really not biased at all. So you can make an appointment with us and we can talk about changes.
Well, yeah, and as you say, when you review your plan, there's so many reasons, as you just mentioned, to do that. The monthly premiums can go up. You've learned your doctor won't be in network, just as you said. Your medications have changed, all of those. But what can people do during the annual enrollment period then if they find those things happening?
Okay, so everyone on a Medicare Advantage plan or a prescription drug plan is going to get a packet of information from their Medicare provider by September 30th. And this packet is going to include evidence of coverage and an annual notice of change. It's going to let you know what changes are taking place in your Medicare policy for the next year. Some people are happy and don't need to do anything. But if you're not happy with those changes, give me a call. Maybe we can find a better plan that fits your healthcare needs and your budgetary needs. If people's premiums keep going up and they can no longer afford their Medicare, there are different we can always find a plan that suits your needs, possibly at a better budget as well. Your doctor can change, and maybe you want to change your Medicare provider to one that includes your doctor. Also, prescription drug coverage can change. If you're on some new drugs and your prescription drug prices keep going up, please give me a call and we can evaluate and look for some different prescription drug plans.
That's great. We're running out of time a little bit, so I want to kind of make sure that we go through some of these things that people can do. So what can they do during the annual open enrollment period?
So they can go from a Medicare supplement to a Medicare Advantage plan. This is what most people did last year with me. It's because the Medicare supplements get expensive. Also, people can go from a supplement they can go from an Advantage plan to a supplement. They do need to take into account they could be underwritten and ask some healthcare questions. People can add, drop, or even change their prescription drug coverage. Keep in mind that these changes will not take effect until January 1st of 2021.
That's great. And I know that it's so confusing for people. They can contact you during this period to really lay it out and get some more information. And you've got these great Road to Medicare educational meetings. I'm going to give all that information now so that people can join you and learn more during this open enrollment period. Thanks so much, Julie.
Okay, take care, Tiffany. Have a great day.
You too. And here are those Road to Medicare educational appearances. It's Friday, September 11th, Friday, October 2nd, Friday, October 16th, and then Friday, October 30th. They are all at 10 a.m. You can do them virtually or over the phone. And this is educational only. You can contact Julie Lucy at Sovereign Select directly at 414-253-3554 or email her at julie@jlmedicare.com.